Oh damn, is it raining? Oh no, it's not. What is up everybody, it's your boy Chubbs. Welcome back to another video. You guys like my phone? Wait, no, nah, just kidding. Alright, so for the past week, we've been getting ready for Spring Night Swing Fest in Willow Springs. This is like 2 days before the show. So we're just trying to finalize and get everything ready that we need to get ready, including a canopy that I'm gonna be printing on myself. Hopefully that goes good. Oh, I don't have my mic on here. Let me turn the mic on and change the lens because this lens is all zoomed in. I know the quality is good, but you guys always talk smack about my lens. So let me get the other lens on. At the same time, I was working on your orders, big boy size and little size and everything. It's a little mess right now. Got a lot of things I'm working on and orders to do and prep for the Swing Fest. So today is gonna be a badass day for two reasons. Because we're 1 day closer to Spring Fest, because we're 2 days closer to Spring Fest, and today we are picking up the giveaway truck from getting color matched. Well, getting the hood color matched. We still have more stuff to paint, but I for sure wanted to have the hood painted for Swing Fest. So we're gonna be picking up that truck today, checking out how it looks. He already sent me videos and it's freaking speechless, man. That truck looks badass and that paint job is freaking amazing. So we might be doing the whole truck, I'm not sure yet, because you could tell a quality difference from the way he painted the hood to the rest of the truck. So yeah, another thing today that we'll be doing is Power Mesh is gonna come pretty soon, and we're gonna be trying to dial in the Denali so we could get the E-fans turned on and everything. If that doesn't work, then man, we're either gonna have to, you know, it has to work, because it's either that or we buy a new water pump so we could put a fresh fan clutch in. Yeah, so I'm gonna get everything set up. I'm gonna turn on the truck so the battery could charge a little bit before the truck gets to overheat, and just have it ready for power ambitions. So let me empty out the back of the truck because my mom's throwing a bunch of junk in it. She knows it's a Yonka, but you know, come on, man. Oh man, I miss driving this truck so much, so much. I need to get her back on the streets this Saturday. All right, so a lot has happened the past hour. Yeah, so one of my boys came. I'm making actually 2 sweaters for him. One for him, one for his girl. This truck is right here. Shout out to my boy. He freaking took this thing off in like freaking less than 10 minutes. Unfortunately my tuner couldn't tune the truck for the E-fans. The battery is freaking dead. So the next step to be able to take this truck to Swing Fest is to freaking get a new water pump so we can put in a fan clutch so we could freaking make it to the show. So that's what we're doing. Also, the painter has hit me up saying that the truck is ready to pick up, but I gotta take care of all this stuff first. So once we're done installing all this and everything, we're gonna go pick up the truck so you guys could see how freaking amazing that freaking hood looks now. So I'm gonna finish working on their hoodies, and meanwhile he went to go pick up the new water pump for me. So yeah guys, so be right back. What you got there?
Some goodies.
Turbo? Oh, hell yeah.
Yes, sir.
That's turbo. I didn't know they made them in black now.
Yeah, they're making me. Oh, it does come with gaskets. No.
Oh, nice.
Yes.
Warranty? 1 year warranty?
1 year warranty.
Put the fucking throw out in the truck.
He was gonna use his phone number. I was like, no. said, call
I almost did.
I was like, that's not yours. I said, call him.
Oh, that's what you're calling me for?
Yeah.
I was waiting for you to call my phone number. I was like, what the fuck?
I lost your number on my other phone. I never saved it.
I have yours saved, but I don't know what it's under.
Oh,
I think it was under Cute Ass Guy, but then I didn't try to call.
probably. And I'm calling the other one.
Hell
How much
yeah.
was it? So I can send him the
Yeah, this one did everything pretty much in like freaking 15 minutes.
Is it put on right?
Without the
We'll find
brakes.
out.
What? We gotta put in whatever coolant I have and then fucking add some water and make sure we take some fucking coolant to the show. Alright guys. God damn. My ride for the day? Hell yeah. Oh, I love extended cabs, bro. I wish I had one. Oh! I hit my head. Alright guys, so we got the truck back. Man, this thing looks freaking amazing. God damn, bro. Like, oh man. So they did a freaking absolutely great freaking job on it. All we pretty much need is a wash. But man, this truck's coming out freaking sick. Check this out, guys. Oh, I'm over here facing down and shit. Check this out, guys. This thing looks beautiful. Here we go. Damn, look at that. The freaking hood looks wet. Look at that. So we got it color matched right here. Honestly, this paint looks way better than this paint. Look at that. And then we got the vents gloss black, like how everybody wanted it. Check that out. Damn. Best believe we're gonna get a little video shoot going on. Damn, that's freaking nice. Alright guys, let's start her up and get home, and I'll show you guys in the morning in the sunlight. So damn. Alright, so we're out here getting ready, making a bunch of banners. We're gonna start making a bunch of shirts right now for the show tomorrow. I was even making some orders that need to go out. So yeah guys, but let's end this video right here. Let me show you guys the truck again so you guys can see how amazing the freaking hood looks. It's already like 4 o'clock. It's about to start raining pretty hard. There's thunder and shit, so yeah, look, it's already coming down. But man, the truck looks amazing. It was supposed to get washed today, but this weather is it's been raining, so well, the detailer wasn't able to come and get this truck looking good. But right now, Ramon's gonna come pick up the truck. He's gonna be doing some he's gonna be changing out the spark plugs and doing an oil change before we take it up to the show. And yeah, but man, look at that. I really wanted to show you guys in the morning in the sunlight, but I've been busy all day. Haven't had a chance to come outside and just admire this beautiful work by my boy Gutierrez. I will leave his Instagram down in the description as well, so you guys can hit him up for any type of paint needs, and or color matches or whatever you guys need, you know. So yeah, wow, this is amazing. The paint is a little bit different than the actual truck. I mean, the paint on the hood is a little bit different. You can't really tell, but it is different. But it looks way more better than this. Whoever painted this, yeah. But man, look at that. We got the black vents. It's just overall amazing. And then with these wheels I put on, wow, it just finishes off the whole look. And it's just amazing, guys. Look at that. We will get some pictures out in Springfest, so we will catch you guys there. I hope I get to meet some of you guys there that are from Central California or Vegas or whatever, you know. So see you guys there, and peace out, everybody. TCB, make sure you guys are getting your entries in. 10-time entries for March 13th, which you guys are probably going to see this way after. So yeah, guys, peace out.